Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have the Gamemax Aero ATX computer case that has a 20 centimeters fan installed in the front of the case, has a tempered glass and an infrared remote control. Not sure about the remote control because when I check it out in the store I didn't saw it. Most probably maybe because they didn't have it at the time, but we will check it out in the case anyway. This case probably it is one of the best case that has the greatest value for its money, and mostly it is because it has an RGB controller inside. Can you imagine that? We will check it out. Okay, so let's see what's inside of it. The panel here, how can it be open? I think I need to remove this. Nice satisfaction while peeling it off. Oh, it's like this. Nice. Wow, really cool. And this is how it looks like inside. These are the 20 centimeters fan. This is the RGB controller that I was telling you about. Oh no, it's the remote control actually. Wow, nice, very nice. Some cables. It has also a fan in the back. So you just actually need only this case. You don't need anything else for it. The only thing it doesn't have, it is here the fans up, but if you put a radiator for the CPU, then this one is perfect. You don't need another fan here. You just need radiator up and you're good to go. I think it has, oh yeah, see, it has, where is it? Over here, it is the magnet, has two magnets, very nice. This is how it looks in the front. Yeah, put it like this, really cool. I think we can, yeah, very easy to take out the shroud. This is how it looks like. And it has a mesh up. It's also with some magnets here. So this is the power button, the reset button, some hard disk LEDs. Yeah, so the guy from the store told me that if you press on these buttons here, they will change the RGB lighting. So these fans also have some lighting, some RGB, and you can switch it, or if you keep it pressed for 5 seconds, then this one will, the RGB will turn off. But if it is connected to the motherboard, then it will have the direct connection and controlling from the motherboard. So let's take out also this plate out, and as I said, here's the controller. Very nice, they integrated in it. Well, it looks a little bit messy here, but you can make a cable management very easily. You can attach also some other small hard drives or SSDs. Over here we put the PSU. So it has also a user manual. Very nice, they have it introducing to the case, because yeah, it's also showing you how everything goes in the case. But yeah, reset button, lightning brightness, light mode, this is what I was talking about. You keep it while pressing switch between RGB modes, and also keep it 5 seconds pressed, and they switch to the motherboard RGBs. Here's the audio, USB 2.0 and 3.1 generation 1. That shows how you install the motherboard, some hard drives. Very nice. And also here it shows how you can control the lightning in your computer, the RGB hub controller. And yep, the wireless remote control. Wow, nice. This is really cool actually. It's a very cool case that has the greatest value for its money. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you like it, please press the like button and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.